Welcome to Propel's Projects, your ultimate assistant to smarter, faster, and more successful PR campaigns. Whether you're just getting started or looking to elevate your current PR strategy, Propel's pre-built projects make it easy to get up and running in minutes. It's so simple to use, you wouldn't even need to set up a training session or watch tutorials. But if you'd like assistance, we're always here to help whenever you need it. With Propel's Media List project, you get access to Propel's accurate and comprehensive media database. Effortlessly generate AI-powered media lists or manually build your own in minutes. You can add journalists from our huge database, add your own contacts, or import from a media list you've already built. All seamlessly integrated to ensure you're always targeting the right people with your pitches, making sure your message lands where it matters most. The Content Project is your go-to for fast, high-quality pitch and press release generation and management. Need a press release or a pitch email? Propel's AI can generate professional drafts in seconds. Our advanced AI models ensure your content is not only fast, but also personalized, increasing engagement by up to 3 times. With everything organized and tracked in one place, Propel helps you create and distribute PR content with ease. Stay ahead of the competition with Propel's Monitoring Project. You can track online and print, social, and broadcast mentions of your brand or campaign with our real-time monitoring tools. Set up monitoring alerts in seconds, choose the sources you want to track, and watch your results flow into one intuitive dashboard. Propel gives you the insights you need to measure your impact and adjust your strategy. The Pitching Project is designed to maximize your efficiency and personalization. Easily connect your media list, personalize your drafts, and send out pitches with just a few clicks. This isn't just faster pitching, it's more personalized and effective outreach, helping you build better relationships with journalists and secure more coverage, all while saving time. Finally, Propel's A to Z Pitching Project is your ultimate PR campaign wizard. This project takes you from start to finish in building a full-blown PR marketing campaign with every detail covered along the way. From generating personalized AI pitches to building targeted media lists and tracking coverage outcomes, Propel streamlines your entire campaign into one powerful, intuitive workflow. With Propel's projects, there's no learning curve, no wasted time. Experience the future of PR with Propel's projects. Visit propelmypr.com to learn more and elevate your PR strategy. For more tips and tutorials, check out these videos or contact support. Thanks for watching.